Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Koss. I'm doing this presentation today for a project, a final project that I have in a class called CSC-235 Python Level 1. I'm a student in the School of University of Advanced Technology. I'm studying robotics and embedded systems. And for my final project, I had to make a complete program using classes. So with the spirit of Halloween coming up, I decided to do something themed for Halloween. Let's see what I got here. So let's start the program. I made a game called Monster Maker. And since Halloween's coming up with monsters and stuff like that, I thought it'd be kind of neat to do something like this. So this is a game about making monsters. Okay, and in this game, you're going to design a monster. You're going to pick out the features of the monster that you'll make. Then you're going to hatch your monster from the egg and watch it grow. You're going to name your monster and care for it. And if you're skilled at raising your monster, it's going to live to be old. But if you're not, then it might eat you. But you got to be careful because raising a monster is a lot of work. So here we go. This game is awesome. You're gonna love it. I mean, if you like making monsters in a text adventure, this is it. I mean, this is like pre-Tamagotchi stuff, man, and it's awesome. So anyway, you can play or quit. If you quit, there's no fun in that. So let's play. Okay, let's make your monster. What shall we call your monster? Let's give it a real cool name. Gorgo Fudge. Gorgo Fudge 3000. Don't ask me why, but hey, I'm just in one of those moods today. Okay, so your monster's name is Gorgo Fudge Griebhausen. I have no idea why I chose that, so maybe I'm going senile. I don't know. Okay, so now you're going to be able to pick a bunch of traits for your monster. There's about 7 traits for each part of your monster, and you get to pick from it. So, what color hair will my monster have? I'm gonna go with green. So, what color eyes will your monster have? Let's go with yellow. What kind of teeth will your monster have? I want him to have sharp teeth. What kind of body will your monster have? Humanoid, reptile, mollusk, avian, aquatic, feline, or hideous? Let's go with mollusk. What kind of hands will your monster have? Suction cups. Yeah, it's cool. What kind of legs will your monster have? Let's go with slimy. And what kind of feet will your monster have? Toes, hooves, slippery, erect, stinky feet. Yes. Okay. So it pops out. This is your monster. Your name, Gorgo Fudge, 3000, whatever his name is. And it gives you his traits. So these traits are actually populated by a dictionary. So I was supposed to use a list, but I kind of upped the game and used the dictionary. Thank you for the extra credit ahead of time. I do appreciate it. I am a 4.0 student and I would love to keep it that way. So in the form of keeping things, yes, let's keep this monster. We'll keep going. Okay, so now that you have made your choices, you're ready to hatch your egg. With a few taps on the egg with your monster feeding spoon, the egg hatches and your monster is born. Raising a monster is a great responsibility. You must feed it, play with it, and care for it. If you don't keep up on your monster, bad things can happen. And as time goes by, your monster will let you know what it needs. If you neglect your monster, it might eat you. Good luck. So, this is pretty cool. Your monster is going to tell you how he's feeling. Right now, he's feeling happy. Now, if you see underneath, he tells you that what his hunger and his fun and his care levels are. You have to maintain these levels as best as you can. Okay? You want to keep these things as high as possible. But remember, your monster's going to grow old. The more he grows old, the more he's not going to be able to keep up on this. And his stats are going to fall progressively naturally. So we got 3 options here. You can feed him, play with him, or care for him. Obviously, when you do one, it's going to raise that attribute, and the other 2 are going to be neglected and lower. So it's a game of balance with this. Okay. Remember, monsters are not natural, so it's up to you to keep the balance. Let's see if we can do it. So while he's happy, let's care for him. We're gonna care for him because we care about him, right? Okay, so we cared for him. Now his care went up, but his fun and his hunger went down. So, well, we want to make sure he's fed, otherwise he's gonna eat us. So we feed him, and now we need to play with him because his fun's going down. Okay, so yeah, he got older. So let's care for him again. Let's feed him. Let's play with him. Oh yeah, he's there. Let's see what happens when you overfeed him a little bit. Okay, so he's stuffed. Now look at this. If you look, you see he was feeling satisfied. And now he's feeling sad. He's feeling sad because his fun and his care are not up there where they should be. So we got to do something about that. So let's try to let's play with him. Let's care for him, play with him, play with him, care. I don't think we're going to get him out of sad. See, the thing is he's got to have it above 5 in order to get out of the sad and be kind of satisfied. And anything above that, he's going to be happy. So that's the trick in this. But he's getting older. So as you get older, you start feeling a little blah. So we're going to play with him, feed him again. Oh, his care's going down. Let's care for him again, care for him. Uh, he's getting old, guys. He's not going to make it very much longer. Okay, so here's the thing. He died because one of his things went to zero. I think it was fun. So when you reach zero in any one of your traits, your monster passes away. Actually, he lived to be pretty old, I have to admit. So yeah, he's died. Thank you for playing. Goodbye. So there's other things that could happen in this game. So for instance, if you just keep feeding him and stuff like that, he's going to die a lot quicker. It all depends on your management. So this is a skills management game, and I love it, man. I think I did pretty good. I mean, this is like the predecessor or the precursor, I want to say, to something like Tamagotchi or something like that, which I'm interested in because back in those days, back in my day, that was a big thing, and being in embedded systems, I kind of want to reinvent the wheel here. And I think something like this, might work. So anyway, this is my presentation. I hope you like it. I loved it. Everybody I know that has played it thinks it's really cool. It's a cool concept. I had a lot of fun in this, and I like Python. Python's a really cool language. It's a lot different than C++, and it has its advantages, let me tell you. If you like what you see here, give me an A, man. I would like it have an A. I like being a 4.0 student. Anyway, have a great day. Have a great Halloween. Have a great life. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.